Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So today's in this video we will discuss about one of the great application for your YouTube channel, for your YouTube content, and this application will help you too much to grow your channel, to optimize your channel, to rank your videos. Basically, this application name is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is one of the most application which is used today's and so far for YouTube and for your YouTube ranking and YouTube optimization, YouTube services and YouTube SEO. So let's start our video. TubeBuddy compatible with your device, the number one rated extension for YouTube creators, YouTube optimization and channel management have never been easier. Trusted and loved by over 4 million brands and creators, our browser extension integrates directly into YouTube to help run your channel with ease. Access our web tools for more in-depth analysis and research. Take your channel management and optimization on the go with our mobile app for iOS, Android. Productivity tools set you up for success while guiding you through YouTube best participates. Bulk processing tools save you time managing your channel and get you very well. So if here we can see some questions about this extension. YouTube optimization and channels management have been never easier. Trusted and loved by over 4 million brands and creators, our browser extension integrates directly into YouTube to help run with channel with ease. Access our web tools for more in-depth analysis and research. Take your channel management and optimization on the go with our mobile app, iOS brand, Android. Productivity tools set you up for success while guiding you through YouTube's best participates. Bulk processing tools save you time managing your channel and get you back to creating. Video SEO tools help improve your videos. Search ranking with optimized tags, titles and descriptions. Promotion tools get your videos seen across various platforms with ease. Data and research tools help you test, tweak, and optimize your channel growth strategy. Take your channel to the next level with an upgrade license. TubeBuddy Pro get unlimited access to most productivity and video optimization tools. TubeBuddy Star access everything include with TubeBuddy Pro as well as on unlock our suite of bulk processing tools. TubeBuddy Legend unleash your channel's full potential. TubeBuddy Legend unleashed your channel's full potential with all of TubeBuddy's tools like being able to A/B test your thumbnails. Member perks. All of our paid plans get access to our member perks programs with extend free and discount plans to many of the company offerings. So if we will drop down there, we will see the link of downloading the TubeBuddy. So basically this is the analysis what is TubeBuddy and how TubeBuddy can help you to grow your YouTube channel. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel organically with too much and too many audience, you will have definitely meet your criteria, and definitely you should have to get access to your YouTube channel, you can use TubeBuddy. It will be help you very well with the blessing of God. Bye bye.